Thutha wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu guteanirio na kuima thirikari mweke wa kungania magoti makiria ni gukinyaniria budget ya mwaka uyu, President oigite thirikari yake ikoretwo igicurania uria iguthinga ihoro riria riri kuo.
Cutting the entire amount in our assessment would significantly and drastically affect the delivery of critical government services, while borrowing the whole amount in full will occasion a fiscal deficit by a margin that would have significant repercussions on many sectors, including our exchange rates.
Gukiri uguo, President oigite thutha wa miario na ministry ya kigina, kihonia riu ni kioneku na mendekithia magukomba mbeca makiria hamwe na kunyihia budget ni megukinyio bunge-ini.
And we will be proposing to the National Assembly a budget cut of not the entire 346, but a budget cut of 177 billion and borrowing the difference. Whatever we are going to borrow, the difference will increase our fiscal deficit from what I intended to be 3.3% of our GDP.
Thengia wa itanya ria kungania bilioni 346 kuhitukira watho wa kigina, thirikari irabangite gukomba bilioni 620 makiria kuma guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi guthinga ihoro ria budget ya tirilioni 3.9 ya mwaka uyu. O ni kuga hamwe na bilioni 169 iria igukombwo thutha wa watho wa kigina guteanirio, bururi ugukomba shiringi bilioni 771 mwaka uyu wa kigina wa 2024-2025.
The entire amount.
President oigite ngombo iria ikumana na guteanirio kwa watho wa kigina ikuhuthika gukinyaniria mibango itiganite ya uthii wa na mbere iria irahetwo mweke wa mbere ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza, hamwe nayo
hiring of junior secondary school teachers and medical interns, funding the milk stabilization program for our dairy farmers.
Budget-ini ya mwaka uyu shiringi bilioni 19.7 igairwo wandiki wa arutani ya junior secondary kuma wira wa kandarathi nginya wira wa mushara. Wandikani wa madagitari arutwo ukagairwo bilioni 3.7 na bilioni 2 ikaigwo keheri-ini kurugamirira ngombo iria arimi a kahua makoretwo makioya. Fataraitha ya raithi igairwo shiringi bilioni 10. Mubango wa kwagirithia urimi wa igwa ukaigirwo keheri-ini shiringi bilioni 1.7 na bilioni 3.7 ikaigwo keheri-ini kurugamirira mathire ma arimi a kahua. Waki wa barabara iria ciakwamire uigirwo shiringi bilioni 3.7. Shiringi bilioni 1.5 ikaigwo keheri-ini kwagirithia urimi wa iria gutigirira murimi ni inukia shiringi 50 hari o rita ya iria. Riri bilioni 25.5 cigitwo keheri-ini kuhura njeki mutaratara mweru wa marehi ma university.
No state officer.
Hamwe na uguo, President ni obete kamiti ya mwanya iria iguthurima thire wa bururi.
This audit will provide the people of Kenya with clarity on the extent and nature of our debt, how public resources have been expended, and will also recommend proposals for managing our public debt in a manner that is sustainable and does not burden future generations.
Ndudu ino ya mwanya iria ikuruta wira na ineane rivoti kuri President thiini wa mieri 3 igutongorio ni Nancy Onyango agiteithiririo ni Professor Louis Franceshi. Amebage ni Faith Odhiambo uria ni President wa ngwataniro ya kiama kia mawakiri, Philip Kaikai, Shama Kiteme, Vincent Kimosop, Riri Abraham Rugo na Aaron Thegea megukorwo mari andiki. Ukinyiria mweri-ini wa gatandatu mwaka muhituku thire wa bururi warugamire tirilioni 10.2 kana gicunji kia 68 kia utonga wa bururi. Mwaka uyu shiringi bilioni 843 ibangirwo kuhuthika kuriha thiri uyu, riri shiringi tirilioni 1 ikuhuthika kuriha mathire ma njoherera. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.